Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Starting with news on track and field, the Jamaican World Championships 4x400 meter relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor is facing a fight to avoid a 4-year ban for the anti-doping rule violation of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection. Keon Rayner reports.
Following close to 6 months of investigations, the Athletics Integrity Unit AIU has finally laid a charge of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection on the nation's most consistent male quarter-miler Christopher Taylor. The news comes just over a month away from the national senior trials set to select the nation's team to the World Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Top TVJ sports sources who spoke on condition of not being named indicate that Taylor, the J3As and the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission were all notified of the charge in the last 24 hours. When contacted by TVJ Sports via telephone on Friday, Chairman of JADCO Alexander Williams confirmed that the Athletics Integrity Unit out of Europe was the body dealing with the Christopher Taylor matter. He says that JADCO is awaiting an update. And in the meantime, President of the J3As, Garth Gale, had this response.
The J3A very recently received notification in regards to one of our athletes. The matter is being addressed by his representatives and it's a process. So while we are not pleased, we have to allow the process to take its course.
The charge is said to have followed an incident at the Norman Manley International Airport in Jamaica, which occurred in November 2022. The anti-doping rule violation of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection carries a range of punishment between a reprimand and no period of ineligibility to a maximum sanction of 4 years if Taylor is found guilty. Taylor's attorney, the respected American Paul Green of Global Sports Advocates, could not be reached for comment up to sports time. The 23-year-old Taylor, who holds a career best of 44.63 seconds established last August, was a finalist at the Tokyo Olympics in 2021 and last year's World Championships in Oregon, finishing 6th and 7th respectively. Taylor, the NACAC champion from 2022, has been Jamaica's top quarter-miler for the last 2 seasons. He has a personal best of 44.63 seconds. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, noted sports attorney Dr. Emir Crown believes Christopher Taylor has a legitimate defense in his current anti-doping rule violation case. Crown says the reason given by Taylor for not submitting to a sample collection was justifiable and understandable given the circumstances.